这是一只雄性孔雀蜘蛛，它试图吸引这只雌蜘蛛的注意。
These spiders are smaller than a lentil. Female peacock spiders are very picky. How the male looks and moves must be just right. Get it wrong and get rejected. There are over 80 different kinds of peacock spiders, each with their own unique display, specially choreographed to the tastes of the female of that species. A male will dance like his life depends on it when courting a predatory female. But the glittering male is still searching. Waving his legs, he tests the air for female pheromones. There she is. Time to strut his stuff. He's found his groove, and she seems to be feeling it. This butt wiggle is a sign that she's already mated. Well, that was a waste of time.